If you love deep fried food but don't want to deal with all that oil, an air fryer is the perfect product for you, as it will give you the best of both worlds. But seeing as there's so much to choose from, it's not easy to select which product is best for you. Here's a little guide to the top 10 best 5 air fryers on the market in 2020, ranked based on prices, size and various features. This list will include air fryers from all over the price range, from good value products to the best available air fryers on the market, loaded with features. There will be something for everyone in this video. So make sure you stay until the end to find out which of these air fryers is best for you, and of course all links will be provided in the description below. Number 5, Philips Air Fryer XXL. This is our pick for the best large air fryer currently on the market. If you like to entertain or have a large family to feed, this will be the right pick for you with its XXL basket space. But the Philips Fryer XXL isn't just large, it also boasts a 1725 watt heating system. You'll be shocked to see just how much fits into the XXL's basket. This product can fry large 3-pound batches of fries or nuggets or whatever you want with little oil, or even no oil at all. Although you probably will want to add some if you're looking for crispiness. While air-fried fries often don't match up to your average greasy fries, the Philips XXL comes close, and of course it's a lot healthier. This air fryer can also cook fresh chicken, meatballs, potatoes, sausages and vegetables, offering a wide variety of possible meals with just this one product. As you can imagine, the Philips Air Fryer XXL is a big machine, so make sure you prepare counter space before purchasing it. If you're looking to fry 3 pounds of fries and want the freedom to use the fryers to cook a variety of foods, this is the one for you. However, if you're not looking for such a big fryer and want something for smaller batches, then stay tuned for some of the smaller fryers on this list. New Wave Brio Air Fryer. This one is our pick for the best value air fryer on the market in 2020. This is basically the opposite of the Philips XXL in terms of basket space and price. The New Wave Brio is very budget friendly, coming in under $100, and will be perfect for anyone looking at a great value for dollar. Although the two products actually look quite similar, the Brio Air Fryer's maximum capacity is about 1/3 of the Philips Air Fryer's XXL. It follows that the Brio takes up less space, but can deliver batch after batch of fries or chicken wings or whatever you're looking to fry. Considering its very affordable price, this fryer is remarkable for its consistent and crispy results, and can also bake, broil, roast and grill toast. It is an easy interface to use, as well as while the wire basket is hard to clean the plastic alternative, it does give a crispier result and can be cleaned in the dishwasher, which is why it is our pick for best low budget air fryer. Number 3, Cuisinart TOA 60 Air Fryer Toast Oven. There's a reason why this one is a bit of a mouthful. That's because it's our pick for the best air fryer oven combo on the market. Why waste your time picking out both a toaster oven and an air fryer when you can get both in the same product, especially if it's for under $150. The Cuisinart TOA 60 looks like your average toaster oven and comes with most of the same features and functions, except it has all the air fryer function, which is what you're all looking for. The TOA 60 Air Fryer Toast Oven is an incredibly versatile machine and comes with 7 different cooking functions, which are air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm and toast. This one is also fairly easy easy to clean. Under the frying basket and baking tray, there's a crumb tray that easily slides out for cleaning. It is also surprisingly spacious, being able to fit 6 slices of your regular bread or a 12-inch pizza. It can also fry up to 3 pounds of chicken wings or roast a 4-pound chicken. However, there are some pros and cons to the mechanical dials present on the TOA60. While they're easy to use, there can be some slight fluxes in temperature settings seeing as they're digital, and the timer might not always be exact. But these are minor flaws in comparison to the product's wide variety of potential usages as well as its low price. So if you're looking for a versatile and good value air fryer with additional toaster oven functions, this is the one for you.
Number 2, Ninja Foodie Multi-Cooker. The Ninja Foodie is our pick for the best multifunctional air fryer available. This is another very versatile product. The Ninja Foodie Multi-Cooker can bake, pressure fry, roast, saute, slow cook, grill and pressure cook, and it's under $180. This product blends the speed of pressure cooking with the ability to crisp, bake and grill. It can also be used to roast an entire chicken, as well as fry up to 1.1 kilos of fries. This one is truly worth its relatively low price. It will of course take up some counter space, but if you're looking for a product as multifunctional as this one, that's to be expected. Unlike the other air fryers on this list, the Ninja Foodie uses 2 separate lids, one for pressure cooking, steaming and slow cooking, and the other for air frying, baking, roasting and grilling. And if you want to sear or saute something, you can remove the lid. It also boasts a ceramic non-stick pot and basket that are both dishwasher safe. Number 1, Black & Decker Purify. This one is our number 1 pick for the best small size air fryer in the market. For under $80 you can purchase a Black & Decker Purify, which won't take up much of your counter space and is incredibly easy to use. This one is about the same size as your average coffee maker and is taller than it is wide, so it definitely knows how to make itself small. If you're only looking to cook for 1 or 2 people, the Purify's 2-litre basket will be a perfect fit. Unlike some of the other air fryers, you will have to preheat the Purify before inserting your food, but this will only take a few minutes. So if you're looking for a budget option that won't take up much space but will certainly get the job done, the Black & Decker Purify is a perfect match for you.
That's all for this video, so if you enjoyed our selection of the top 5 air fryers of 2020, please leave a like and subscribe.